Alright, so we have the good apple, and this is the KVD. And last time, you know that I had the wrong color, so we went back and I got the tan 78. When I tried it on, I was matched, and it seemed to be the right color. So it's a little darker. I'll show a preview from the last video as well. Can you see that? Okay, yep, I'll show a preview from the last video as well of what the color looked like compared to this color. And so let's try it. If you watched the last video, you already know how I felt about this. Oh my god. Whoa. This looks, when I got this one, I don't know if you can see it, but it looks a lot glossier. Did I get the right stuff? It looks a lot, I'm gonna tell you this now. Yeah, it looked a lot glossier than when I got it. It looked like, y'all see that shine? It's like glossy. Let's get started. I already did everything to my face, primed it, cleaned it, moisturized it. Like I said, my face is a lot more shinier than the last time I did it, because the first time I did it, I said I needed more moisture because this stuff is like matte and drying. And so yeah, let me just go ahead and apply it. That started. I am getting ready for a meeting tonight, so that's why I'm doing my makeup as usual. I only do my makeup twice a week, so this will not go to waste, and you're going to be here with me to see it. So let's start. I'm going to be using a foundation brush. This is a small foundation brush. I'm just going to pass it through, and then if I feel like I need to use my sponge, I'll use it. But let's get started. I'll be looking down at my mirror here to get to see what's going on. So I'm only going to use one side. Alright, so I just dipped it just a little bit. Can you see where I touched it? Yeah, you see that? It's shiny. Y'all see that shine? It's shiny. I don't care. Alright, so I'm gonna go in and start. So yeah, this one, I got two sides. Right now I'm dealing with some acne. I got some stuff to fix it, but let's go. Do that swipe, that TikTok swipe. That's a lot better, y'all. That's a lot better than what last time was. It blends, y'all. That's a lot better than last time, y'all. I just went back in because it feels really... Yeah, that's a lot better than last time. Absolutely. Even on camera, that's a lot better. I just wanted to do that swipe, the TikTok swipe, for y'all, so you can see. But if you would have seen, like, and it matches my neck a little more as well. But I'm finna go in the regular foundation application way. Start in the middle of my nose and work out. Yeah, this is a lot better. This color is a lot better. So if you guys wear a, yeah, look at that. Yeah. So if you guys wear a, sorry, but like I was saying, I got distracted. If you wear a 420 in Fenty Beauty cosmetic products, then with the Pro Filter foundation, then you may, and if you did it online and it said that you were a tan 74, but if you match, if you, sorry, I'm just looking at this because it's like so good. But if you wear a tan 74, if they told you you wore a tan 74, that's a lie. But if 420 is like your true match and you look like my shade, tan 74 is not it. It's not it. You are a tan 78. Probably. I'll say you're probably a tan 78. If you tried it on and it looked like you was lighter, looked like a highlighter, not a highlighting like you were trying to highlight the middle of your face, and you had to go back in and bronze your perimeter, that means you're a tan 78. I'm just letting you know because I was fooled. I was fooled. I was fooled. Okay? It was live. I'm just testing out this foundation brush too because I got it in my Ipsy bag. It's by I can't read it. But yeah, um, what color is it? Yeah, this is the color. Oh, my lips is doing that thing. Let me fix it. Don't be looking like that on the camera. Lips is doing that thing. Yeah, I have big lips, so I have to be careful. I like it. I like it. I like it. And I put on enough moisturizer. I put on a serum, vitamin E serum, and moisturizer because, and a lot of moisturizer because I remembered how this thing was playing around before. It's cream to powder. So in a few moments, this thing is gonna dry up. It's gonna dry up. I don't know if you understand what I mean. There is a dupe to this, Milani, and I'll do like a little test later on. Put them side by side to see if it's the truth. Yeah, I'll do that. Y'all see this? It's called texture. Texture when you have acne. That's normal. No filters here. Make a lid. Alright, y'all, so the foundation looks good. This is my color, and I'm so happy. I have enough on. I didn't put too much, but I'm going to go back in and also protect it and put like my setting sprays, my setting powders, whatever I got to put on to help it last a little longer. Last time, as you saw, I didn't put anything on, and I told you that it broke up really bad. This time, I'm going to actually protect it and put things on it to see if it still does the same thing. Because normally when I put on foundation, I put stuff on it to help it to stay. So if it doesn't work, I don't know. I don't know what to do. But I'm going to finish my makeup and I'll be back. I'll wear it. Probably I'll have this on makeup on until 10 o'clock tonight. It's now like, it's 1:43. So I'll have this on until 10 o'clock tonight and I'll be back to give you guys the update. So I just finished it. I didn't really cover up my dark spots a lot, but that's it. All right, everybody, I'm back and it's now 9:21. So not exactly 10 o'clock, but 9:21. I had this makeup on since 1:43 completed. And let me just give you the scoop. So as you know, I tried this makeup before with a different color. It was lighter. And with that test run, I went, sorry, I got a text message. Okay. With that test run, I ran a lot of errands and I was outside. And I live in the most humid place in the United States, which I think is the most humid. But, and it broke up a lot. And I had on a mask. And I didn't put a lot of protective, I meant a lot of setting powders or setting spray on it just to see how the foundation itself would work. And I know I'm up close with y'all right now, just so you can just see. No filters here. Just so you can see what it looks like. I have a lot of oil. I'm looking in the mirror too. I have a lot of oil peeking through, I see. It not a lot of breakup. Let me check. Not a lot of breakup. But this, I would tell you, this test drive is for those who work in an office because when you work, like I mentioned in the last video, if you work in an office, you're not leaving maybe the building just, you probably leave the building one time for a lunch break if you have enough time. If not, you're in the building the whole day with AC probably. And so this is an experiment for that. The other video was more of an experiment of running around doing errands. And so this is how the makeup lasted. And I didn't go anywhere today. I just sat around. I had a meeting that I attended, and that's why I did my makeup. And it lasted all day, but it looks nice. I did blot before. Let me see my forehead. Okay, I see a little breakup right up there, and I don't know if that's from my braids touching it or not. But I did blot before my meeting, so that was 2 hours ago, and this is it after 2 hours after blotting. And I just used my makeup sponge. I didn't put any more makeup on it. I just used my makeup sponge and just pressed it, and that was it. And so, how do I feel? After around 7 o'clock, I want to take this off my face. I don't normally wear makeup a long period of time anyways, so I just did this for the video because I don't wear makeup that long, but I wanted to take it off. It is lightweight, like they said. It is lightweight for full coverage. I didn't put on a lot because I don't want to look cakey, but it is lightweight. But by the time 7 o'clock hit, I was ready to take it off. I can feel it. Of course, I can feel it now, but I feel any makeup that lasts as long. Day to day, running around doing errands, it broke up a lot. Sitting in the house doing nothing, it doesn't break up. That's just the norm, I guess. Other than that, I like it, but it's going to take me at least a month to know if I really, really like it, because I've had foundations where like, yay, I love it, and then I wear it a few times. I'm like, it's not doing what I want it to do. I don't like it. And so I'll know after a month. As of now, I do like it. That's why I got my correct shade. I love the fast application. I think that's the main thing I like. That is fast. Oh yeah, too, that is full coverage and fast. Full coverage and fast. I never knew that I was a full coverage person until I got some makeup that was not full coverage. And I was like, I can't take this. I need fast application. And so, yes. So this is my review for KVD Beauty Balm, not Beauty Balm, Foundation Balm, Good Apple. I have shade Tan 78. Like I said, if you're 420 and Fenty Pro Filter and that's your shade for real, Tan 78 may be your shade. I know they're promoting Tan 74, but it's a scam. It's not your shade if you're 420. You are a Tan 78. Check it out. Maybe it'll work for you. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video and enjoyed it, like it. And if you would like to see more of my videos, just hit the subscribe button below. See you later.